What's up, everybody? Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe now. Yes, I sold the Harley Davidson. Oh, the Sportster. I sold it. I'm sad. I was bumming out when I sold it. Everybody says, oh, we need to sell it. Oh, it's becoming winter and you're not going to be able to ride it. And I'm like, oh, yeah. So I sold it. But, what did I buy? Soft Tail Heritage Harley Davidson, baby. This sucker is so fast, it's ridiculous. Third to fourth gear, you're gone in the wind. Second to third, you're gone. First into second, you're gone. I mean, it is just a fast-ass bike. I'm just telling you that right now. Take a look at what I've done with Woody on the back here. What's up, Woody? Done him up just right on there. This bike, it's got the Ultima Performance engine in it. It's the 107 engine. It, like I said, I just keep repeating myself, it's fast. I'm telling you, from the Sportster to this, oh my gosh. I was wanting a Super Glide is what I was going into. I took this for a test ride, and it is just phenomenal. Take a look at it. Came with this little cell phone rack in here that went with the shield on it. The Harley Davidson foot pegs on here, and also back here, which is phenomenal. It came with the Mustang seat on it. Take a look at that Mustang seat. Also has the extra rack in the back. This is also Harley Davidson as well. Harley Davidson throttle and brake on there. What else? Harley Davidson mirrors. Look at those bad boys. I was just caught in the rainstorm, so sorry about that dirtiness there. But absolutely clean. Take a look at those wheels and rims on there. Whoop. Absolutely stunning bike. Very, very clean bike. Awesome, awesome bike. I absolutely love this. I do still want a Super Glide, so I might get that one too. I don't know. But I bought this one. I absolutely am in love with it. If you guys have a Softail Heritage, I'm telling you, if you're thinking about it, you gotta buy one. I'm telling you. Especially if you have a Sportster. Sportster was a great bike to learn on. They definitely go up in price, so you better have the money saved on it. Went ahead, sold my bike, and got this one the very next day. So super stoked about it. It's got the Harley Davidson saddlebags on there as well. Let's take a look on this side here. The only thing I did on here, I did the back brakes on here by myself. If you guys never done the back brakes on a Harley Davidson Softail Heritage, very simple and easy. I am not a mechanic by any means. I change my own brakes on my truck and cars and stuff, but super simple. Just a couple T45, I think it was T40 or T45 little bolts you had to take out. Took those out, looked at the pads, replaced the pads, put the little sensor back in, and if you guys want that video, I can go ahead and shoot it. But just let's look at I love the headlights on this baby. Look at it. Whoo-wee. My gosh. It's my baby. Man, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to do some quick videos on it, starting up, do a walk around and things like that on it. But just wanted to share with you guys. I got me a new baby. All right, you guys. Love you. Subscribe.